Then question number 9, it says, let PQRS be a quadrilateral in the plane where QR is 1, angle PQR equals angle QRS equals 70, angle PQS equals 15, and angle PRS equals 40, angle RPS is theta, PQ is alpha, and PS is beta. Then the interval that contains the value of 4 alpha beta sine theta is or R. Now it has more than one option correct. Now here what we'll do is, we'll draw a quadrilateral. Now this is P, Q, R and S. And let us draw these diagonals also. Now it says this QR, it is equal to 1. Angle PQR equals QRS and they are both 70. Angle PQS is 15. So this angle is 15. This whole angle is 70. So this angle will be 55 degrees. Angle PRS is 40. Now this angle is again 70. So this angle here it will be 30 degrees. And here this is 70, 110. So this angle will also be 55 degrees. Now this is an isosceles triangle. So these two sides, they'll be equal. So this side is also equal to 1. Now angle RPS is theta. So this angle, it is theta. Value of PQ is alpha and value of PS is beta. Now this is 70, this is 30. So this angle will be simply 80 degree. Now in triangle PQR, if we apply sine rule, we can write 1 upon sine 80, it will be equal to alpha upon sine 30. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. So we can write alpha as 1 upon 2 sine 80 degrees. And that's our first equation. Now in this triangle PRS, again if we apply sine rule, we can write 1 upon sine theta, it will be equal to beta upon sine 40. So basically we can write beta sine theta as sine 40, and that's our second equation. Now we need 4 alpha beta sine theta. So what we'll do is we'll multiply these two and we'll also multiply it with 4. So we'll get 4 alpha beta sine theta is 4 into 1 upon 2 sine 80 into sine 40. Now this is 2 and 2 will cancel. Now we can write this sine 80 as 2 sine 40 into cos 40. Now sine 40 will cancel, this 2 will also cancel. So this 4 alpha beta sine theta, it will be equal to secant 40 degrees. Now we know that 40 lies between 45 and 30. Now secant is an increasing function. So we can write secant 30 will be less than secant 40 will be less than secant 45. So this value is 2 by root 3 will be less than secant 40 and will be less than root 2. Now root 2 is nearly 1.414 and 2 by root 3 is nearly 1.155. So that means value of 4 alpha beta sine theta, it should lie between 1.155 and 1.414. So this value, it will lie in 1.155 and 1.414. So it will lie in this interval A. It will lie between 1 and 2. Now this is root 2 and this is root 2. It doesn't lie here, and 2 root 2, it also doesn't lie here. So the correct options are A and B.